Roles of the President, Group 4, Commander-in-Chief reading. Why is the President in charge of the armed forces? The framers of the Constitution made the President the Commander-in-Chief of the armed forces as another way of balancing power. The framers believed that placing a military leader in charge of the armed forces would make that leader too powerful. To prevent this, they put a civilian in the highest ranking position. They also wanted to make sure that no one branch had access to both military power of the nation and national budget. Congress, not the President, controls the budget. This means that while the President presides over the military, he or she cannot access money for the military without Congress's consent. Serving in the military is not a requirement to be president. However, many presidents have served in the military before being elected. George Washington fought in the Revolution against Britain. Andrew Jackson was a major general in the War of 1812. Ulysses S. Grant was a commanding general in the U.S. Army during the Civil War. Dwight D. Eisenhower served World War I and World War II. Many other presidents also served in the armed forces. Many presidents did not have military experience before becoming Commander-in-Chief of the U.S. Armed Forces. John Adams, founder and second president, did not serve in the military. President Clinton actively opposed the Vietnam War before being elected. Other presidents who never served in the military include Thomas Jefferson, Woodrow Wilson, and Franklin Roosevelt. During times of domestic turmoil, the president may use the Commander-in-Chief power to deploy troops within the borders of the United States. This happened on a number of occasions during the Civil Rights Movement of the 1950s and 60s. In 1957, the governor of Arkansas attempted to use the state's National Guard to block 9 African-American students from attending Little Rock Central High School. Using his power as Commander-in-Chief, President Eisenhower placed the state's National Guard under federal control. He also sent 1,000 U.S. Army troops to maintain order. 6 years later, President Kennedy federalized the Alabama National Guard and ordered it to enforce the administration of an African-American student to the University of Alabama.